Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Cursor, Windsurf and Replit. Cursor, Windsurf and Replit are all development platforms, but they target slightly different styles of coding and collaboration. Cursor is an AI-focused code editor that integrates intelligent coding assistants directly into the workflow. It helps you write, debug, and refactor code quickly with features like natural language prompts and context-aware code suggestions. It's especially useful for solo developers or small teams who want to leverage AI to speed up the development process. Windsurf also brings AI into the coding but leans more towards collaboration development. It allows multiple developers to work together in real time, share progress, and review code without leaving the platform. This makes it ideal for remote teams and group projects where constant communication and shared context are important. Replit, on the other hand, is a cloud-based coding platform that lets you code, run, and host applications directly from the browser. It supports instant project sharing, live collaboration, and easy development, which makes it popular among beginners, educators, and teams who want a zero-setup coding environment. It also has AI features, but its main strength is accessibility and convenience. In short, Cursor is best for AI-driven coding efficiency, Windsurf excels in collaborative AI-powered development, and Replit is great for easy access and shareable coding from anywhere without installation. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.